How to change your Snapchat profile picture. Well, hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me go through quick and easy and how you can change your Snapchat profile picture. Well, simply head into Snapchat and head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the top left here. Now here you can see my QR code here. But can you see here, you can create your avatar for your background on your profile. If you are using public profile, then you can change your image here. So what you can do is tap on edit and then tap on edit icon along the profile there and then tap on choose from library and then go ahead and choose a particular picture from your library to change the profile picture and select the image. Once you have done so, tap on confirm and you'll be able to change your profile picture for your public profile. However, for your personal profile, you'll only be able to add Bitmoji for your cover. Hope this video helps you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues as well.